Yo, so what is going on? This is what we finna do is I'm off of work today, so we're gonna live stream the New York session. I'll try to make some money in the New York session and see where price gets us. Um, let's see if we have any news today. I think we do. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right, so um, my birthday. All right. No, not really. The market should kind of be smooth today. We do see a sell-off, semi-sell-off right now going on, but other than that, we should be smooth today. All right, let's take a look and see what Nasdaq looks like right now. Let's get rid of some of these. Uh, uh. All right. So we're still kind of playing a little bit in this range on the 4 hour. Um, all right, so we're still kind of playing in this range here. We had some kind of manipulation. Price struck in and took out some liquidity, and came back and did the same thing before dropping. But we're still stuck in between this range here, so we need price to break. If price breaks out on either side of this range for today, we can see price going here and then just heading back to that point, original point that I wanted price to go, literally on the higher time frame. So I guess on the weekly, yeah, I wanted price to come around into this area. But if you look, it's more clear on the daily here. So that is what I want kind of price to do. And we had a nice little pullback into this 20,000 area. It's refusing to break through that 20,000 area. So what I'll be looking at for today is I'll be looking for sales. Um, I'll be looking for sales on NAS and just trying to find what price is looking to do. So let's get our bias together and see what possible trades we can take. So right now, our bias is that it's ranging. The direction of this is just ranging. You can say on the day here, price is kind of in a downward momentum, but you can't say that because we still have this area here that price is needing to react to. It's reaching us what we call a support. So if we're trying to take sales, it's not too good right now in the best interest for us to take sales unless we're going on a lower time frame and we see another set of area break of structure, and going forward. But what I really want price to do is to find a way, figure out what it wants to do, whether it wants to bounce off of this and go higher, bounce off of this, retest and go higher, or if price just wants to flush straight through this level here, flush straight through this level, retest off this break, we're taking it down here to these levels. Um, so the levels that I'm gonna play with today are if it breaks below 19,600. So um, so if it breaks below here, then we're going down for the rest of the day. But if it kind of stays above this 600 range, I can see price just kind of finishing the week in between this consolidation, which will be ugly price action today. But because I don't see it going up 400, well, it could go up 400 points. But if it goes below the 600, I'm selling. If it stays in between here, we'll probably get some pullbacks to the down, and then trying to reach this resistance at this 20,000 area. So the 20,000 area and the 19,600 area are the areas that I'm playing right now. I just need to see how price is going to react to those areas. And the market is going to open in about 10 minutes, so we can kind of really see how we can play this. I'm trying to go for 1,000 today, just because I have the time now and I can actually see the charts. Since I'm not at work, so my goal today is to make 1,000 on my live account, and to make 100 on my trading live account, my forex kind of account. But yeah, so let's go. Let's go to gold and see what gold's looking like. Gold is kind of consolidating itself too. It's kind of ugly right now. You can gold is ugly right now. It's been like that for the last couple of days. We got it's just this right here. It's just this resistance right here. I mean, we just have this support right here that gold just keeps bouncing off of. It closed, but that's not a close that I want. I would have wanted this whole candle right here to close, retest into here, and then retest into here, and then we go down here for the continuation of that sell-off. I do believe that we are gonna get somewhat of a pullback on gold, but I don't think we're gonna get it anytime today. I think we're just gonna kind of continue this ugly price action. All right. So, yeah. Because even if we go down to the lower time frame, we can kinda, okay, it took out liquidity here. We can kinda make a play on gold right here. We can kind of make a play on gold. To fill this fair value gap here. So we might get like a bounce here. I'm thinking that's what we might get today on gold, like some kind of bounce like that. I think it's gonna bounce off this this support area here, like how it's been doing lately, and then we get a retest up into these highs. So if it gives me any kind of price action around this support area that it wants to go up, I'll get in for a quick buy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna set an alert so I won't miss that. I'm gonna get in for a buy to 346 area, and then we're just gonna go from there and see what we see. QQQ. So QQQ is gonna open lower. I have a 467 put. So this should It should open up really well. I don't know. We'll see though. I really took this account down. $74 now. So hey, we're gonna see. We're gonna see though. We're gonna grow it. Hey, don't worry. This is only the first quarter. This is only the first quarter. So let's see how price opens up. Go ahead and log into my account. Make sure I got this up and going. So notification that gold just dropped. So let's see. So that's let's look at the 15-minute. Gold literally just tanked there. I really wanted to come back into this area, so just kind of waiting until the market opens. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right, market's gonna open in a few. We getting a rejection. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Let's take a look and see. The market is trending down. The market is trending down. All right, market's gonna open up. Let's get it. Lock in, twins. All right, we're bouncing off of here. All right, market's gonna open up. Let's get it. Lock in, twins. All right, bouncing off of here. Yeah, if we get anywhere back into this area, pushing up, I'm gonna look for sales going down. Preferably. Right here. All right. So this is the play right here. This is the play. I want price to come into here. And something like here. Break that. Retest. We out. I'll probably get in right here. But we'll see. It's breaking back into the 700s. 707, so we can see probably 748, 750, and then drop. Probably have to wait about market open, so we probably have to wait about 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and then they give us the true direction. Oh, my put is up 100% today. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I want to sell this at $1. Oh, we rejected straight off of that. Now it's back in the 600s. We good though. We good. I missed that. Wasn't paying attention. I still think we might push up. Gotta sit on our hands here. Gotta sit on our hands. Yeah, we're pushing up. We are pushing up, going higher. Bouncing off of this resistance here. We look at the 5 minute, we'll see what I'm talking about. We break this high right. This, if we close above this, if we close above this right here, I'm taking it. I'm taking that buy into here. Taking a quick. If we close here, I'm gonna take that buy on up. Feel that wick. Let me get ready. Just a quick scalp. All right, we did not close above there, so we can see price probably falling a little bit more, but it doesn't hurt if we close above. If we close above that, um, if we close above this little resistance here on this lower time frame, then yes, I'll take this buy into the 700s again. But if not, all else fails, we just wait till 15 to 30 minutes after the market open, and then it's gonna give us its true direction. So as you see here, it's probably rejecting. Like I said, anything below this 600, I'm taking it. Um, let's see, you probably have a boom. I still think we need to pop back up here and fill that wick though. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what we need. See what we have. Let me change this to here. I need to see that 15-minute as well. Damn, gold is dropping. There we go. I think, yeah. Yeah, gold is dropping. All right, I gotta focus on this play right here. I gotta focus on this Nasdaq. Gotta get my. Can't look at gold too much right now. So we got these large wicks to the bottom on this downside, rejecting that 600 level. Um, I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, sorry about that. I am back. So we closed on the 2 minute above. Um um I'm gonna buy one. So I wanna see it break through that 700 area. And then once it breaks that 700 area, I'll add more to the position. But I needed to break through that 700 area into probably 730, something around that range. So we'll see. We have to see, wait and see. Coming up off of that first 15 minutes of the opening, so we kind of get our direction on where price wants to go. I think I'm down maybe 120 right now. Uh, Pulling back a little bit. It's fine. It's fine. Has a 5 minute close. No, it's still wicking. Yeah. Let's see. Um, Down for 300. Let's see. Price wants to. Oh, like price is gonna push this just a little bit higher off of this resistance here. So let's take a look. Let's just wait and see. Wait this out. That break and retest into this gap here. So we just need that push. Check out these highs here. Alright, we're pushing back in, pushing back up. Let's see if it can break back into this 700 range. See if it can break back into the 700. If it breaks through that 700, then I will add. But if it doesn't and showing it's keep resisting, then I'm not. But this is a key resistance area right here. I wanted to break back into that. Alright. This is a low here. I might. Damn. Come on. That wick to the bottom. Give me some kind of profit. Give me some profit. That push. Just break through the 700s. Break through that 700s. We good. Take out these highs. Push. This is the let's see what it does right here. We pushing. All right, we push through the 700s. And I'm gonna add one. And what I'm going to do is sell stop here. All right, look at that push. I really think this play right here is gonna make bank. Tipped into here. Wow, gold is just dropping. What? It went straight to that 14 area. Wow. That's that sell I was looking for initially. Wow. All right. Can this go? Okay. So we might get ready to sell one. Uh, all right, cool. One's taken off. All right. So we're currently we'll move this up. We'll move it right below this, and then just let the runner run. We'll just let the runner run. I told you guys I want to get that $1,000 day today. We're gonna get that $1,000 day. Let's see. Nice. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see where this takes us. We are now in the zone that I wanted to sell. So we now have officially pushed into that zone. And what I want to do is just kind of capitalize on my kind of want to capitalize on this. Just kind of keep trailing it. right, we out. Wow, so that was a good one. We made 648 off of that trade. Now we're gonna take this baby down to the downside because I originally wanted to take this sell anyway. So give me something to the downside. And we're taking it. We're gonna ride this back. It's back underneath the 698. So we can see this probably flush down to 640, 650. I'm gonna sell one more, and then we're gonna put TP here, TP1 here. We're gonna manage this one quick. I'm in 2 sales right now. It's pushing back up. Nah, I can see it flush. I can see the flush. The flush coming. Kind of got bad entries, but it's cool. I at least want price to kind of. I want price to kind of take this. I want it to take this out. And this. Oh shit. Oh shit. What the fuck? Oh shit. Fuck. Damn, come on. Let's mark out this 15-minute range. Here is the 30. So we're gonna mark that out here. That is the 15-minute range. So I should have waited for the 15 minutes to close to get into that sell. Shit.